The Harappan Civilization. Grade 3. Social Studies. Many ancient cities developed near rivers. People settled near river because of many reasons. The land near the river was very fertile for growing crops. There was plenty of clean water available for drinking and growing crops. Exchange of goods could be carried out with other places through waterways. Many important cities and civilizations came up near rivers. A civilization is formed when a society or a community develops and organizes itself over a period of time. Some ancient civilizations which developed near the river were the Egyptian civilization near the river Nile, the Sumerian civilization near the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, the Chinese civilization near the Rive-Wangha, Yellow River, the Harappan civilization near the river Indus. Let us learn about the Harappan civilization. The two cities which existed many years ago near the river Indus were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. The first city to be discovered was Harappa in 1921, and hence it is called the Harappan civilization. It is also known as the Indus Valley civilization because it developed on the banks of the river Indus. It existed over 4,000 years ago. The Harappan civilization covered parts of Pakistan and Afghanistan, and also extended to some parts of Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922. Since then, several other sites also been discovered. Some of these are Goneri Wala in Pakistan, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Rakhiagarhi, Ropar, and Lothal. The Harappan cities were well planned. Streets and roads were laid out properly. Every house had proper drainage system which carried the waste out of the city. Since there was plenty of water, each house had its own well, and people did not have to go far to fetch water. Drains, wells, and other buildings were made of baked bricks. Did you know? The Harappans were the first to develop the use of buttons over 4,000 years ago. These buttons were made out of seashells. Some important buildings, which were built during the Harappan civilization, have been discovered over the years. The most important of these is the Great Bath. It is located at Mohenjo-daro in Pakistan. It is a rectangular, tank-like structure which looks like a swimming pool. The Great Bath has steps at the north and south ends which lead into the tank. Another structure that has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro is granary. The Harappans were farmers, traders, craftspeople, weavers, blacksmiths, potters, jewelers, carpenters, and sculptors. Many remains of their art and craft have been discovered, which suggest that they were very skilled at pottery and weaving. Wheat, barley, mustard, sesame, peas, and cotton were some of the crops that were grown by them. The people of Harappa carried out trade within the city, as well as with other countries. The dockyard discovered at Lothal suggests that the Harappans may have built ships and transported goods to other countries. The discovery of various objects like figurines, ornaments, jewelry, beads, and toys suggests that the people of Harappa practiced art and craft. They made small clay models of terracotta. Some of the terracotta toys which have been discovered are toy carts and dolls. They also used copper and bronze to make objects. The Harappans also made seals. Seals were mostly made from clay. They were square and rectangular in shape. Many seals which have been discovered have engravings of animals such as bulls, rhinoceros, and tigers. It is believed that the seals were used for trade purposes. A few seals were carried as amulets or perhaps like an identity card. The Harappan civilization flourished for many years, but it began to decline with time. It may have declined because of floods, an earthquake, a widespread disease, or a change in the course of the river Indus. Historians have tried to find the reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization, but even today, it remains a mystery.